Libra, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong energy update for October 1 to 15, 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Paalala lang, ang reading na to ay general reading, so maaari kayong makarelate, maaring hindi, just take what resonates. Okay, Libra, what's the energy? October 1 to 15. Oh, rising from the ashes, ang pagbabalik ng inyong lakas, ng inyong sigla, ng inyong confidence, tiwala sa inyong sarili. Also have horse, which is about travel. Going to a lot of places, busy. Busy kayo ngayong first half. Spider, creativity. Okay. So, iba sa inyo, Libra, kung nung mga nakaraang buwan, medyo parang wala kayong interest or parang you feel like hindi na kayo ganun ka-creative. Yung bang parang walang inspiration. Ngayong October 1 to 15, nagbabalik yung inspirasyon nyo. And malaki rin tulong kung madalas rin kayo mag-travel kasi maraming nahi-heal kapag nagta-travel 'di ba? Yung you get to experience nature, going to different places, na-enjoy mo rin yung culture nung lugar na pinupuntahan mo. So, doon ka mas makakahanap ng creative energies, creative ideas. Ayan. Some of you are starting a new project. Creative project can be sa business, career. So, ngayon, mas malakas na yung loob mo. Dahil, kumbaga, nakapag-heal ka na. Okay, let's see, Libra. Uy. 2 of Cups. The 8 of Wands. Judgment, change. The World. 2 of Cups, this is energy ng connection, relationship. May pag-aayos, reconciliation, maaring makikipag-ayos ka or merong makikipag-ayos sa'yo na nagkaroon kayo ng issues before. And maaring tong person na to, siya yung magre-reach out sa'yo. Or maaring ikaw yung magre-reach out lalo na kung nagkaroon ka na ng rebirth, like change or transformation na na-realize mo na may mga naging mali ka rin and you recognize your faults and now you know what to do. So, yung iba naman pagdating sa career, tuloy-tuloy lang. Just be patient kasi darating din yung hinihintay nyong success for your business, for your career. Lalo na kung you are starting all over again. The world is also about achievement. So, maaring meron ka ma-achieve sa work, sa business, sa career. Na hindi siya agad-agad, pero mangyayari naman siya. Oo. Dahil na rin yan sa patience mo, sa efforts mo. So, ipagpatuloy mo lang whatever you are doing. Kasi minsan, iniisip mo, ay, magiging pa ba to? Successful pa ba to? Kaya lang kung titigil ka, hindi mo malalaman kung magiging successful, 'di ba? Kasi magi-give up ka na agad. So you have to focus on what you need to focus on and change anything na sa tingin mo makakabuti para sa'yo. Kasi you have realized a lot of things na ginagawa mo na hindi na siya in alignment dun sa goal mo. So yun yung babaguhin mo. Some of you may travel opportunities with your person, romantic connection, or even sa family. Money, career, finances. Let's see the energy. The Ten of Cups and the Moon. The Moon is like heightened emotions. So, I feel like pagdating sa finances, sa career ninyo, ito na yung time na magkakaroon ka ng deep connection sa trabaho, sa career, sa business, ano man yung pinupurso mo ngayon na career, na masasabi mo na, kaya pala, mas nagiging madali para sa'yo na maging successful is because you love what you're doing. Mahal mo yung ginagawa mo, and maaring ngayon nga mas inspired ka, mas bumabalik na yung inspiration, motivation para ipagpatuloy mo yung pangarap mo, yung mga goals mo for your career, for your business, or para sa sarili mo, personal development. Love life. You have the Fool and the Emperor. Uy, you are taking in charge. In charge ka sa love life mo. So, yung iba sa inyo, this is starting a new life. Paaring kung ikaw ay may partner ngayon, bago pa lang yung relationship. And ang importante is ikaw yung in charge sa relationship na to, or you are someone na may plano for this relationship, or can be your partner as well. Lalo na kung na-realize mo na itong taong to ay may magandang intentions towards you. Just be careful lang, kasi possible na yung iba sa inyo ay makahanap ng isang tao na medyo controlling. Oo. And syempre you have to use your discernment kung sa tingin mo this person is controlling you. Like, take control of yourself, syempre. But yung iba sa inyo, magte-take kayo ng risk pagdating sa connection, relationship na papasukin ninyo. You may be dealing with an Aries or Aquarius. And I think, some of you, itong person that you're dealing with is established na sa buhay, or alam nyo na pareho kung ano yung ginagawa ninyo. This is a serious relationship na pinapasok ninyo, or kung kayo ay in a relationship na right now, I think mas pinaplano nyo na ngayon yung future ninyo. Ayan, you are taking a risk, taking chances for this relationship. Maaring meron kayong kaharapin na challenge, ngayong first half ng October. Pero, mawo-workout nyo naman. Kailangan lang, huwag kayo masyado magpadala dun sa problema. Like, focus on your goals and yung solution. Ayan, emotional force opening up. So, maaring meron kang person na makakausap ngayong first half ng October na kung saan maglalabas siya ng ng nararamdaman niya. Like, can be a friend na magko-confide sa'yo, or maaring ikaw magko-confide ka sa friend mo. This is a very deep and emotional conversation na you will be involved in. Meron ditong betrayal. So, pay attention sa mga bagay na paniniwalaan mo na sasabihin sa'yo. Kasi pwedeng meron dyan na hindi naman talaga nagsasabi ng totoo. Use your discernment. It may cause some problems, but mararamdaman mo if there is something wrong. Kasi mas magiging connected ka sa iyong instinct, sa iyong intuition. Ooh, success. Believe in yourself and dare to dream big. Ayan. So, may success kapag naniwala ka sa sarili mong kakayanan at mas challenge mo yung sarili mo na, mas maging productive, at challenge mo yung sarili mo for a new goal. Kasi 'di ba, yun yung magmo-motivate sa atin to do better para ma-achieve natin yung goals natin. Digital detox, recalibrate, reset and recharge. So, yung iba sa inyo, medyo magbabawas kayo ng paggamit ng social media, ng screen time. You will focus on peace, serenity, yan, katahimikan ng inyong isip. Kasi naman, minsan parang automatic na pagising natin, social media agad, phone agad. But some of you, this is going to help you clear your mind na magle-lessen or iiwas muna sa internet, social media, or phone. Okay? So that is your reading, Libra. Thank you so much. See you again.